we have a rule of thumb, or maybe I have a rule of thumb for record triggered flows. Always create before save flows. Always create before save flows. And then when you do that, something is going to stop you. You're trying to create a related record. You will not be able to do that. And that's your clue that you need to move to after save or actions and related records, record triggered flow. It's good to know the difference between these two so that you can put any updates that you know can run in a before save flow in a before save flow, and you put any updates that you know requires an after save flow in an after save flow. This helps the org become more performant. The performance is better because fast field updates are fast and after save flows are not as fast. And we're talking milliseconds, but as the org scales and grows in volume of records, then this is very helpful in terms of performance. So rule of thumb is before save flows. If it doesn't let you do what you're trying to do, then you're going to change to after save flow.